under the abbot to gain strength.
Well done.
Once you can smash this rock with your bare hand, you'll be free to leave this place.
Incredible!
Amitabha.
Thank you, Master Abbot.
I want to register to compete in the boxing tournament.
All right, I'll make the arrangements.
Go home and drink your mummy's milk, kid.
You've won so many consecutive matches. How do you feel right now?
I want a death match with the ex-boxing champ. If you've got the guts, come out and face me. You brat. You don't know your own limits.